Hello everyone, my name is Devashish and welcome to another video. In this video we'll see how to create this beautiful looking CSS animation loading effect. This is a normal loading effect with the help of simple plain HTML and CSS. There is no fancy stuff, no fancy JavaScript, nothing else, no other frameworks, only plain HTML and CSS. You will see how easy it is to build this kind of beautiful looking loading effects. So without any wasting of any time, let's get started. So first, to create this, I have created two basic HTML and CSS files. There's nothing right now, so first we'll create the basics of it. We'll just link the CSS file with the HTML. href. This will be just the name of the HTML and CSS files. As both are in the same folder, we just have to provide the name. If these are different folder, then we have to provide the entire path. Okay, in the body we'll have nothing but simple a div of class loader. That's all. There's nothing else we require. Now just open it in live server. There will be nothing right now. Let's just open and we'll close the previous one. So we'll have this page open. We'll see how it transforms to this beautiful page. Okay, so first we'll have a body. We'll provide margin 0, then padding 0, display will use flex, then we'll have justify content to be center, align items to be center, to put it at the center of the page. Okay, but to put it actually at the center means both vertically and horizontally you need to provide a minimum height. The minimum height is 100% of the total view that we have, so it will be 100 VH. That means 100% of the viewport height. Then we require the background color. I always prefer to have a darkish background. I'll have this 333. Okay, so that's all. If I save, this is the output. Now we'll have for the loader itself, for the loader we will say its position, let's just have it as relative or absolute, it doesn't matter right now. Let's just have to be relative with 100 px, height 100 px, let's just have a background, say white smoke. If I save, it will be something looking like this. Now I provide a border radius of 50% to make it circular. Okay, and we'll change the background from white to we'll use a linear gradient method to vary the color. Okay, so we'll see from down to top, means from bottom to top, we'll change the color something like this. We'll have the background color as the background color, or make it transparent. We can make it transparent at 0%. Then we'll have the same transparent at 30%. Then after that we will change the color, okay, a little bit. So let's just have something like this, RGB 5, this much at 50%. I've chosen some random colors, yellow say at 80%, and my favorite color, this at 100%. Now if I save it, you can see it will have an effect like this, right? Now I'll provide an animation. Okay, the thing is we have to rotate this page, right? So for that we'll have an animation. So the first name is animate, then the duration is 0.57. Okay. Time function will be linear. Then delay, we don't need to provide any delay. Iteration count will create infinite. Direction will be normal. Fill mode, we don't need anything. Okay, so now create this animation. At 0%, okay, first we need to provide, see, first we will make it a rotation, right? We will make it rotate. So for that, at 0%, we will have transform rotate. So initially it will be at 0 degree, right? And at 100%, we'll have rotate to 360 degree. If I save it, we can say it's having a rotation like this. Now we'll also change the color. You rotate from 0 degree to 50 degree, no, 360 degree. Now if I save it, you can see the colors are also changing. Okay, but this is not what we were having, okay, what we have shown you. So for that we will use a before element to the loader. So let's just have, first, to take effect of the before element, we need to have this content should be, for our case it will be nothing, it is to be provided, otherwise this before element will not take effect. Then we'll have this position, say absolute, Then we'll have top 10px, left 0. Let's just first remove this animation for now. Okay, let's just have a width of almost 80px and height of 80px. Okay, now have a background of the same color as we have in the body. It's 333. Now if I save it, you can see something like this. Okay, if I change the color to white, it will be more understandable. It's something like this. So we'll make it also a circle, so border radius will be 50%. If I save it, it's something like this. Okay, now change this color to the background, which is this. Now you have something like this. Okay, now we'll create an after element also. First I need to provide the content, which is nothing, but this is required so that this after element will take effect. Then let's just say position is absolute. Then we'll have top 50px, right 0, so this thing was at the right of it. Okay, now with height, we just want to create a circle at this position. We want to create a circle, so say the width and height is 25px. Also the border radius to be 50%. Okay, now if I save it, we just have to provide a background also. Let's just say the background is white. You are seeing this one, right? Let's just change this width height a little bit, 20. Okay, now make it 2 pixels from right. If I save it, it's something like this. We can make it. Now change this color to RGB, this 25 30, 25 to 31, 25. It will be something like this, right? And we will create a box shadow. $50. If I save it, something like this. Now if I save, it changes the color, something like this. Okay, if I make it 0, you can play with this width, height and everything. You can check what is best suitable for you, what you want. Actually, to change this, you will see, you will play around with these codes and you will see what are the changes that you are getting. So that's it. Thanks very much for watching. Hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you.